Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens. Their ICO is live today and runs until January 29th.
What's up everybody? It's Sneh here at Cryptosomniac. I hope everyone's doing well. The markets are recouping decently, and Bitcoin Cash, I think that's going to be another highlight topic video, is draining the value from Bitcoin. Absolutely, that's exactly what's going to happen, and that's exactly what's happening right now. But I think we'll see some short-term, I'll say medium-term corrections going on. And let's pull up the chat here. Hope everyone is doing okay. We are live on Twitter. We are live on Facebook. And yes, we are. And let me just... Okay. Cool. Let's see what you guys have to say. Ripple took off. Yep. No sleep. Hashtag no sleep. Hashtag Cryptosomniac, guys. Hashtag Cryptosomniac. That's the real hashtag right there, guys. All right. I actually don't know what's going on. Okay. We are live now. All right. Good evening. Hello, Ryzen. Hello, Rahul R. Some real loyal viewers coming in. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining us here today. And we're gonna go straight to the charts. We're not gonna really bullshit around right now. We're just gonna go straight to the charts. We need to know what's happening, right? So, Bitcoin finally over that 17,000 hump for the meantime. We saw upwards of almost $4,000 Bitcoin Cash, and we're just gonna go straight into the Bitcoin Cash Bitcoin market, right? And that's exactly what we are gonna do. And let's see what's going on. And we're gonna go to Kraken. Why Kraken? You know, I kind of like Kraken. It's one of the Western exchanges that uses Bitcoin Cash before Coinbase, so I kind of like it. I try not to use Bitfinex ever in my charting, just because, you know, I have had some major manipulation going on there from time to time. Of course, may not be the standard here, but we're going to draw this trend line here. Not too bad. Not too bad. Support once, breakout, support once, support twice, support almost 3 times, and support 4 times. So we're going to see if we could actually break out of this. All right. It's not too bad, right? Hello everyone on Instagram. Welcome to the channel. I am Sneh here at Cryptosomniac. Hello Ashley. Hello Pranav. All right. Hopefully we have people all around the world tuning in today, trying to figure out what's going on with Bitcoin Cash, and this is exactly what we're going to do right now. Wow. I don't like the look of this. So this is not a common trading strategy, but it's worked out for me in the past. I like to draw MACD crosses and MACD trend lines, actually. And what I'm seeing is we're seeing slowly pull back from market enthusiasm, specifically for Bitcoin Cash. And let's pull that in. Where is this volume indicator? I'm on BitMEX. That's why. Now sometimes I amaze myself. Let's go back to Kraken. All right, Kraken looking pretty decent with the volume candle. Yeah, okay, that doesn't look too bad. Again, it doesn't look too bad. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit, just to show that we are approaching that lower resistance level, upward trending resistance, and we might break down from there. 15-minute doesn't look that great. Another sell signal, more sell pressure. Maybe we'll bounce off. Only time can tell. But make sure you set your stop losses here at Bitcoin Cash. I definitely think, and as well, let's draw this out again. This MACD scrolling down here. So I definitely think market enthusiasm has fallen off a little bit. Again, we're on the 15-minute. So let's look at the hourly. Hourly looking terrible. Hourly looking terrible. And we'll see if we can reverse from that. I mean, crazier things have happened, right? Bitcoin Cash, still a lot of insider trading rumors, right? Welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome. I am Snay here at Crypto Somniac. Me and Sam run this channel together. All right, and if you have any questions, I'll go over your altcoin, respective altcoin as well. But I wanted to go over why I think Bitcoin Cash is draining Bitcoin's value, rather. Bitcoin Cash is a legitimate threat to Bitcoin. Absolutely. Bitcoin Cash is a legitimate threat to Bitcoin. And why do I say that? As it gains more and more popularity, especially amongst newcomers. I mean, you should have seen it. I mean, I had like 15, 20, 30 different people call me and say, hey, what's going on with Bitcoin Cash? Should I buy some? My short answer, and listen closely here, is yes, you should buy some. Maybe not right now. Maybe the price is a little too inflated. But I definitely think you should have it in your portfolio as a hedge against Bitcoin. Many of you know my stance on Ripple. Of course, it's a centralized currency. Not my favorite. But as well, as a hedge, I am still invested into Ripple. With the rumors coming out that it may come on a Coinbase, I think it could really explode in value. So that's why, as a hedge, I've invested in Ripple, and as a hedge, I've invested in Bitcoin Cash. Okay, let me just close out of that, and we're going to close out of Skype too. Sorry about that, guys. Let's close this out. All right, so this is why I think that Bitcoin is especially under threat by multiple currencies, specifically not even multiple currencies, Bitcoin Cash, because a lot of newbies don't know the difference. So what does Bitcoin Cash do that Bitcoin can't? Well, it's bigger block sizes, cheaper transaction fees. But what's so special about it? What's so dynamic about it, right? What's the craze about it? There's about 200 different altcoins that I would pick as a transaction medium over Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. 200 different altcoins. Because the technology is better. So why buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin is, in my mind, no longer a transaction medium. It is no longer what the white paper says, which is a peer-to-peer transaction medium. I view it as a store of value. And that's how I think in the future Bitcoin will evolve too. Do I need to pay for my sandwich in Bitcoin? No, I don't need to. I honestly don't care for it. Because no matter what Bitcoin does, it will always lag behind the newer coins. No matter what Bitcoin Cash does, it'll always lag behind the proof of stake, delegated proof of stake coins like BitShares, or centralized currencies like Ripple or EOS or ARK or countless other cryptocurrencies that are just lightning speed compared to Bitcoin. And Lightning Network aside, Lightning Network, a lot of people don't like it. It's almost a centralized move. It's almost a centralized move for Bitcoin. But it is important to understand that I don't think Bitcoin Cash does anything revolutionary, right? And Satoshi's white paper, in all honesty, needs to be upgraded, right? It needs to be updated. And people, oh, Satoshi's vision this, Satoshi's vision that. He didn't imagine it at this scale. He did not imagine it since 2008. And yeah, okay, call me a maximalist. Call me dumb. Call me, hey, I'm Satoshi Nakamoto, and you don't know what Satoshi Nakamoto wants or does. But that's okay, because we're all evolving here, right? We're evolving. The space is evolving every single day. We're seeing new regulations, newcomers come in, new ideas, awesome things coming from here, coming to fruition, right? I recently, or not recently, but a while back, I heard of something called proof of time. Not proof of stake, not proof of work, but proof of time. And that's why, that's my whole spiel about Bitcoin Cash. And if you agree with it, cool. If you don't agree with it, that's cool too, because it's good to have varying opinions. Maybe Bitcoin Cash will succeed. Good thing I'm holding on to some, right? That's why I think it is a good hedge, and you should hold on to a little bit of Bitcoin Cash and make sure you set your stop losses, because you never know when this thing's going to tank. And, you know, more likely than never, it's most likely going to. You know, I agree with a lot of investors that only one can exist, and I think that one will be Bitcoin. All right, let's see. Do you think IOTA is good for the future? Again, if you want to see the chat on screen, or you want to see what's going on my screen, you could go check out youtube.com/CryptoSomniac, and you can see exactly what's happening on the screen. Present and Renov, okay. Excel. All right, we're going to continue going through the markets, and specifically, let's go through Bitcoin now. This is the Bitcoin Cash market. We're gonna keep watching this. I mean, I think throughout the hour, while we're online, I think we could see significant price increase or a reversal maybe, but we don't know that yet. And let's actually draw that upper trend line here. So we are seeing somewhat of a parallel channel here. And I don't particularly like upward parallel channels. That's okay. That's okay. We don't know. There's no real signal right now happening, right, guys? I think it's going to drop, but we don't know exactly what's happening. I've set my stop loss. I'm going to secure some profits. So you had that descending wedge, and then we broke out up to around that 1800 mark. Then we dropped right back down, and now we are sitting at around 17. 17's not too bad, right? It's no 20, but it's not too bad, right? I like that. That's not too bad. That's the hourly right here. We're going to delete this descending wedge here because it no longer applies. We've had too much price action since then. So we're seeing some sort of resistance here, right? We got as low as 15.7 here on Coinbase. I don't see how Bitcoin drops any really lower than that. I mean, we saw that little flash crash going on during the whole Bitcoin hard fork, but again, that was pretty much necessary, right? Not necessary, but expected, right? So I'm gonna refresh CryptoSomniac.com, guys. Do me a favor and smash that thumbs up if you do like the content, and if you're here with us every night, I really do appreciate it. There's a lot of people give me comments like, hey, you should have more subscribers. It's not about the subscriber count, right, guys? It's about the individual subscriber. I do this for my loyal subscribers, right? And you don't know how much it actually means to me because, you know, I love my job, and you guys enable that, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you so much. This is my full-time job. All I do is cryptocurrency trade. We also run a private discussion group and a private trading group as well. And we have a newsletter coming out. And if you want to win some free crypto today, actually go over to facebook.com/CryptoSomniac and twitter.com/CryptoSomniac and share this video right now. Ooh, I actually should refresh that. I should be live on Twitter, hopefully. Yeah, I'm live on Twitter right here. Bitcoin Cash, draining Bitcoin. Retweet that or share it on Facebook. And we're going to draw. We're going to do a random number generator and pick a winner tonight. So, cool. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. And we're going to continue through these charts. We're just now beginning, right? Hourly, looking decent. Looking decent on the MACD. Wow, red volume shorten out here. Let's see the 4-hour. I like this, guys. I like this. I think Bitcoin's going to rally back. I really do believe that Bitcoin's going to rally back. I think the enthusiasm for Bitcoin Cash, as much as Roger Ver, once again on CNBC, if you didn't check that out, you should go check that out. Roger Ver was on CNBC. Roger Ver, the de facto leader of Bitcoin Cash, you know, pretty much saying insider trading was okay. That's why he renounced his U.S. citizenship and now lives in Japan. So Yeah, I just don't believe in Bitcoin Cash. You guys already know my view on that. Hopefully, you do invest in it, though, because it's a good hedge, right? Maybe not now. Maybe once it gets lower. But Bitcoin Cash will always try to fight for Bitcoin. And the flippening threat is always there now, right? So let's go through it. All right, so we went through Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and let's go to ETH USD. Guys, hold on. I just want to say that Ethereum, I love Ethereum, and I know this is a bold call, but I don't think we'll ever see Ethereum in the 600s again. So if you did pick up Ethereum before 600, congratulations, but I honestly don't feel that we could see Ethereum at 600 again. Of course, anything could happen, regulations, but if natural market progression is to happen and we're keeping up at this acceleration of growth, I don't believe that Ethereum is going to be correcting anytime soon. We're at 824 right now. 824 right now. So that is the market price of Ethereum as we speak. So we're on the 4-hour right now, and right now it's looking like we may hit a reversal symbol. Actually, we have 144 people watching. I'm gonna do something special for you guys real quick. Really quick. Do I want to? Yeah, we'll save that for later. We'll save the specialness for later. All right. XLM, XRP. So let's go through LTC first. We're going to go through each of these coins. That's how the beginning of the stream starts. We go through Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. So that's just how the stream is going to start. I think it is really relevant to see. And we're actually going to go through the ETH BTC charts, because this is the Bitcoin charts, right? I mean the USD charts here. So I said try to buy under 0.045, 0455. Now, why does the MACD look so different for the USD value and the Bitcoin value? Why? Sorry, the USD pairing and the Bitcoin pairing. So we're going to pull this up one more time. I'm looking at this, guys. You see this? We're about to cross on the top here, indicating that we may be seeing some downward momentum. And we're going to go to the ETH USD, and we're seeing the exact opposite from ETH USD than ETH BTC. Why are we seeing that? That is showing that BTC is picking up traction. BTC, again, USD is a standardized value, right? But BTC, when BTC, if ETH stays the same value, and when I'm talking about USD value, and BTC goes up, therefore the BTC value of ETH actually goes down. So that's why you're seeing a negative correlation, and this is a positive sign for Bitcoin. Specifically, I love looking at the BTC ETH pairing because, come on, it's number 1 and 2. I think it's one of the strongest pairings that you can. All right, so we're seeing Stellar is the best transaction coin. Stellar is centralized, so therefore it cannot be the best. But I still hold some regardless. Come on, guys. You know, as much as I love technology, as much as I love the philosophy, it's about the bottom line. It's about making money here, right? All right, so let's continue going through it. Ashley says XLM, and Chimong says, Ashley, Stellar is undervalued. I agree. The almost free transactions. Everyone's talking about it. XRP, run, not worth it. All right, so we just went through ETH, and we're going to continue. I don't know why I keep reading the comments before I go through ETH, LTC, USD, and then we'll go through the altcoins, guys. I mean, who doesn't love altcoins? LTC USD value first. Another nice bottoming out. Looking for another run here. Hopefully we could hit that. We're on the 4-hour. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly's looking strong. Hourly's looking strong. I really wish it would have got down a little lower, but I guess that's just not how the cookie crumbles. And let's go to LTC BTC and see what we could see here. I don't know what's going on with LTC, but Charlie Lee is the leader you want for your cryptocurrency. For your decentralized cryptocurrency, Charlie Lee is the one you want. You do not want Roger Ver. You do not want Jihan Wu. I love Litecoin, guys, and you should be holding some. I absolutely think you should be holding some. Absolutely. Never apologize, mister. It's a sign of weakness. All right, Qtum all day. All right. So now that we've gone through LTC and we're seeing the MACD pattern crossing on the bottom once on the hourly, pretty decent signal. Again, I would wait for the 4 hour until I would go all in, but it's not a bad time to buy right now. And we're going to go through LTC, BTC. We just did that, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm seeing. And we're also looking at a cross on the bottom for LTC, BTC. And hold on, did I just skip LTC USD? And a cross on the bottom LTC USD. That's a buy there for me. That's on the hourly. Again, very short-term prediction, but if you're awake for the next couple hours, that's a nice little buy and flip. I think we could easily get back to that 350 mark, easily. Your Bitcoin Cash is the only coin scaling on chain. All right, let's see. XLM. Everyone's talking about XLM. Let's talk about XLM. Stellar Lumens. Shady past, good partnerships. Stellar Lumens. Let's do it, guys. XLM BTC. Wow. That's looking pretty nice, right, guys? Whew. Oh, actually. Let's draw this out. Let's actually turn on the Ichimoku clouds. Hopefully you could see that. If not, I could brighten it up for you. Let's brighten this up. Hopefully that's a little better, guys. So this is the Ichimoku cloud. And that shows us pretty much buy and sell pressure. It's interesting. You could also use Bollinger Bands for that as well. I also use, I just turned it off, and I also use Fibonacci Zone. Fibonacci Zone's pretty good for me too. This is really run up, but again, I wouldn't say I really like Stellar Lumens, but I really think it's a decent hold, right? It's a decent long-term hold. All right, and I'm just going to quickly go through you guys' comments. Okay, XVG run up, XVG. Yeah, guys, you're looking at a XVG whale here that I bought at under 0.1 cents, and now we're at 15 cents, so sitting pretty nice, comfortable, pretty comfortable. Verge, so we'll go through Verge, we'll go through Ripple, we'll go through Stellar. Hi, Snay. Hello, Death Ponu, another loyal viewer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And guys, Dakota Green, instead of yours, why don't you put in an avatar so I remember you guys better? Because I know Dakota Green, but it's just a big D. Cool. All right, lots of loyal viewers. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, let's keep going through it. ICX icon. So we'll look through that as well. 1 hour on XLM BTC doesn't look that great. Let's look at it in the 30-minute. Again, it is super run up, right? It has been super run up as of late, as of the last day. That 30-minute. Let's turn off these fib zones, right? I don't know. I mean, I definitely think we could get lower than this. I wouldn't call this a buy right now, but I'm holding on to my Stellar Lumens. I don't even have a stop loss for it. That's just me. And we'll go through EOS and Neo, guys. All right. But that's looking pretty decent. That volume, if that volume picks up, we can see those higher and higher lows, and those higher and higher lows are a strong indication that we're slowing down, right? And the lower and lower highs, once we do squeeze down on those candles on the 4 hour, I think that's a very strong indication that we will be slowing down. Again, we're on those lazy bear squeeze momentum here, and that as well is looking like we're coming up to a decision point, right? In the next couple I would say in the next 4 to 8 hours. We'll see if we could break down or break up. But right now, it's looking like we've hit a top here. And let's see, are we at all-time highs right now? No, we're not even close to all-time highs. And I'm going to go through Cardano with you guys because I know you guys want to know about Cardano. If EOS hits $500, I'm a millionaire. You have 2,000 EOS. That's pretty good, man. Daniel Bitcoin. It's pretty good. I love EOS. I think EOS is the Ethereum killer. Everything else may be claiming to be the Ethereum killer. Again, this is my view. This is not Sam's view. This is not anyone else's view. It's just my view, guys. All right, let's check it out. So, yeah. All right. So that daily looks kind of waning too. I don't know if I'd call it a buy right now. I think it would drop down lower. I'm not putting any more money. I even may sell some Stellar Lumens. But let's go. What's happening with Ripple? Are these rumors founded? Do these rumors have foundations? Let's turn on some moving averages. Look at that. Bear trap. This is a classic bear trap here. Hey, we're crossing low. Just kidding. I'm just going to skyrocket immediately after. Look at that. That is a huge candle. That is a massive candle. I wonder how much volume we're seeing for Ripple. So let's give this a nice little refresh. 21% up. $1.4 billion. Wow. And let me check Facebook real quick. Make sure that we... XRP, XVG, TronX. Okay, so we just have recommendations. Okay, Ripple going to Coinbase. This is hypothetically happening. So in San Francisco, I know Sam covered this, but I'm going to cover it one more time. In San Francisco, Coinbase's headquarters is 600 feet away from Ripple headquarters. 600 feet. Guys, that's 2 football fields. Oh. Yeah, 2 football fields. I had to think about it. I was like, huh. Was that 2 foot? Yeah. 600 feet is nothing, guys. These guys eat lunch together. So do I think Ripple's going to be added to Coinbase? Absolutely. Yes. Okay. Verge looking okay. Let's look at the hourly one more time. Slowing down here a little bit. Healthy slowdown though. I definitely still would want to pick this up a little lower. Let's draw some horizontal lines here. Decent amount of support right there, right? Let's draw a fib level, guys. Let's draw a fib level. Fib level. Okay. Oh, Lord. I have to reverse that. So I'm drawing from the top of the candle, top of the wick, actually, to the breakout point. It's lining up nicely. It's actually lining up really nicely. I don't like it this high, guys. I just don't like it this high. Somebody knows something that we don't. Why does Ripple have such huge price action like this? Because of the partnerships? They've been announcing partnerships all year. Why is Ripple moving this much? Let's look at the 30-minute. See if we can pick up at a lower price here. Yeah, so we definitely hit our top, right, guys? It's definitely looking like a top, a short top, right? In the medium term, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, right? We just know immediately what's happening right now. If you're buying this high, there's something wrong with you. If the people that are buying right up here, there's something wrong with you. If you're buying over 5,000 sats, no. I don't want to say there's something wrong with you, but guys, come on. You don't buy when it's parabolic, massive green candles like that. And why? Just look at this hourly. Let's go back to the hourly. We saw 1, 2, 3 massive candles, and then we saw an immediate sell-off. That's just a clear signal that you just don't buy that high. Again, look at Verge. Verge did that, and Verge is sustaining its price. It's absolutely amazing. Whoa. Sorry. I don't know what the hell. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know how that happened, but okay, let's keep going through the markets. What's up, Crypto Cartel? Another loyal viewer. Thank you for joining us. Insider trading is not illegal with crypto. It's not regulated. I know it's not regulated, but it's morally and ethically bad, right? If you want Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to succeed, you have to have regulations. You have to have moral and ethical code and guidelines if you want this to succeed. You cannot have one without the other. You cannot have consumer protections, no consumer protections, and Bitcoin's growth. You cannot have that. Regulations are coming, and I'm welcoming them. I'm with open arms. I'm welcoming them because these pump and dump groups, these Roger Ver wizards here, these Coinbase employees that are telling their friends and family, these leakers, they need to be stopped because this is hurting the integrity and reputation of cryptocurrencies. Okay? And that was my spiel, and I apologize for that. All right, let's go through XVG, and we'll go through NEO as well. NEO had a nice little pump, didn't it? Good Lord. Good Lord. Wow. Holy crap. That is insane. That's insane. It's an insane level of price action. Let's look at the 30 minutes. See if people are buying back up that little dip that we're having. No, not yet. There's no buying of the dip right now. And what do I mean by buying up the dip? Actually, hold on. Now I have my surprise for you. You're about to witness the first ever cryptocurrency weatherman. And let me pull this back for you real quick. All right, let me just pull this. Okay. What is going on? Okay, this is cool. All right, where am I? All right, yeah, okay, cool. I am your weatherman, Snaebot. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Here we go. Hopefully you can hear me all right. If you can't, sorry. All right, so what do I mean? What do I mean about... what do I mean about buying the dip here? So why do I say, hey, I'm looking at this 4 hour, and this is something that you should learn. I'm looking at this 4 hour, and what does this MACD tell me? Excuse me. We're seeing a little dip up here, right? We're seeing a little dip right here, right? You can see that kind of curving a little bit, right? That means that pressure, that upward momentum, that upward parabolic pressure is waning a little bit. We're not out of the woods yet. We could still be seeing some upward pressure here, but now we delve deeper. We're looking at the 4 hour, which is a little bit more macro scale, right, guys? And we are going to go to the 1 hour. Now, how does that 1 hour look? You guys know this, right? I've taught you guys this 100 times. So we're looking at, oh my God, this is hard. This is no joke. All right, so we're seeing this right here, right? This is upward pressure. upward movement. We're still seeing that positive slope, right? Positive slope, negative slope. Positive slope, negative slope. All right. Talk like a weatherman? I don't know how to talk like a weatherman. Hello, I'm Snaebot, and this is crypto weather. Like Spike. Okay. All right, so we're seeing that positive slope, and now we're seeing that negative slope, right? We're seeing that negative slope come down here, and it's pretty critical, right? We've crossed on the hourly, which isn't a huge indicator. I think 4 hours, especially 4 hour macro indicator, is a little bit more of a solid call here. You want to crypto hurricane? Look at Bitcoin. Okay. All right. All right. So now that's what we're seeing here, right? We're seeing this negative action coming down. And now I'm asking, are people buying up the dip? Are people buying up the dip? So now we delve even deeper. We were at the 4 hour macro scale, hourly, medium. Again, we're traders, so we want to see that real nice price point, right? Real nice price point. And we will now look into the 30-minute. So what I'm looking for is a reversal, right, guys? I'm looking for a reversal. So yeah, sorry about. I just took a shower, and my hair's always fluffy after I take a shower. Sorry, guys. Not nice and slick back and gelled like a weatherman, but this is crypto. We don't sleep. All right. So we have that negative. We have that negative pressure here, right? So negative coming all the way down, and now I'm looking for that little cup. I can't even. Damn, this is hard. All right. I'm looking for that little cup here. Okay. Right here. And now, once we see that positive slope going forward, and we look at that bottom, that's when we know when to buy. That's the dip. That's when we buy. That's when we have a clear indication of the bottom. We could delve even deeper. Again, 15-minute, I don't suggest for everybody. I just don't suggest for everybody. That's a really sharp time zone. These are for quick swing trades. Again, we're still having negative pressure, so you shouldn't be buying right now. You should be waiting, holding off, and let's look at that in the 15-minute. You should be waiting and holding off, and we clearly see that it's still running red here, right? We're still headed down. There's obvious better positions and better buy positions that you could possibly hit, and we're gonna look even deeper at the 5-minute. 5 minutes looking interesting. Let's zoom in here. Wow, look at that. We're watching this live. Let's actually see this on the 3-minute, even closer here. So that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that little cup here, right? And that's what we're seeing at that blue, right? That little cup, that blue thing. And that's what we wanted to see. And I'm going to go back to normal viewing angles here because, this is harder. This is hard, guys. I don't even know how do I do this? Okay, cool. All right. I hope you guys liked the Weatherman presentation. And we're going to continue looking at Verge because it's going parabolic. And let me put the green screen back real quick. One sec. All right. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed that little presentation. If anyone does this, know where you saw it first, okay? The first ever crypto weatherman. You saw it at Cryptosomniac, right? You saw Snay do this at Cryptosomniac. So congratulations, guys. You just witnessed history. This is more important than the invention of Bitcoin Cash. Holler at me, Roger Ver. All right, let's keep going through it. Squeeze the cup. All right, I didn't see all these. All right, I smell like crypto. Thanks, guys. I don't know if that's a compliment or not, but cool. Okay. All right, let's zoom back out and see. Look at that. You see that? As soon as we saw that reversal, we saw some buys come right back in. We're watching this live. This is a 3-minute indicator here, guys. Is this a strong enough indicator to buy upon? If you're swing trading, absolutely it is. 3 minutes, even 1 minute's a decent indicator if you're doing this fast, right? But it's easy to get burned, and I do not suggest this for everybody. But I my max trades have been, I've made 50, 60 trades a day. That's what I max out. I traditionally try to go lower now. I look for the bigger gains now. I look for the big fish in the sea without making these smaller crypto gains here. But there's still money to be made. I mean, out of those transactions, it's.
Someone just donated $2 to the channel and asked a question and answered it.
Somebody just donated $2 to the channel. I really appreciate that. I wish I would have caught that. Hold on, guys. That's cool. And we never get donations here. Cool. NXT with Ignis airdrop coming on Bittrex. Thoughts? NXT with Ignis airdrop coming on Bittrex. Thoughts? Let's see. So I heard about this earlier today, and all of my NXT is on Poloniex. And I tried to withdraw from Poloniex to Bittrex, and guess what? That exchange does not let me do that. So what I have to do is I have to switch it into an NXT wallet or hit BTC, and then I have to transfer it to Bittrex. It's absurd. But what do I think about that? That's great. I think it's great. Airdrops are great. We're seeing an insane NXT run-up. And an insane NXT run-up. All right, keep your day job. Okay. That's mean, guys. It's just mean. All right, let's just, well, I don't know how the hell to get back here. Okay. All right, let's keep going through these questions. So I think that Bitcoin, NXT in general is a good project. It's a little run up, and we're going to take a look at those charts. Right? That's what we do here. All right, anyways, on Verge, let me just wrap up Verge. Let me just wrap up Verge real quick. Okay. On the 5 minute, it looks not too bad, but again, we don't know if people are buying up the dip or not. Let's look at those volume candles. Green volume coming in, but again, not a strong indicator. Maybe you pull it out even as little as a 30 minute. We're still looking pretty red, but those sell candles are looking lower and lower. But we're coming up to a pretty crucial decision point here, and we'll see if we break it down. But I think it's very important that you set your stop losses. My stop losses are at around 800 Satoshis. So you could set stop losses at that level. Again, not your financial advisor, so be aware of that. All right, sorry guys. All right, let's go through NXT. Those are my thoughts on NXT. By the way, that was Verge. NXT, good project. I like child chains. So NXT utilizes this functionality called child chains. So it's a literally branch chained off of Ethereum, off of NXT, and that's what Ardor is, right? And it enables you to leverage NXT and the main chain, unlike Ethereum, which you do leverage Ethereum, but Ethereum still is registered as a normal transaction, even ERC20 tokens. So a little bit different, right? These child chains are a little bit different. That's why I do like NXT. Bullish on NXT. I own some NXT. Again, on Poloniex, I got to move that sucker over to HitBTC or Bittrex. But apparently Sam said HitBTC is supporting the fork. So I may just hold it off on HitBTC. All right, let's continue looking through this. Let's look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour looking fantastic. Still parabolic here. And yeah, look at those green candles coming from the momentum. RSI super high, super high. Again, we are super run up here on NXT. Let's go back to CryptoSomniac.com. Smash those thumbs up, by the way, guys, if you do like the content, or if you do want to see more Crypto Weatherman, leave a comment after the video is done, and that'll be there saved for eternity. The first crypto weather report. So congratulations for being a part of history. All right, let's keep going through here. Where the hell is NXT? Can't be that low, right? 28. Wow, Ardor is over NXT. That's amazing. Okay, that's not looking too bad. $278 million of volume. That's amazing, guys. Congratulations to everyone who's holding NXT. We've loved NXT, right? It's not revolutionary technology. I wouldn't say it's Gen 3 like or doesn't utilize the same functionality like Komodo or Arc, but it's different, right? It's a very different type of technology. Only time will tell whether NXT, proves itself. Right now, there's not too many projects running off of NXT. That is why I am seeing that. So 4 hours, and let's go to the hourly now. Hourly looking like it's slowing down a little bit. Let's keep going. Let's zoom in here. Still lots of green pressure. Still a lot of volume coming out here. If I'm not seeing a red candle here, I'm not seeing a red candle here. We may be seeing a red candle soonish, right? Look at that. Last hour, we have 57 minutes left, though, on that indicator. But let's go zoom into the 30-minute. That may give us a better indicator. Still not seeing any sort of red candles here, so not looking like a sell for me. I will be setting my stop loss. Again, I don't like parabolic turns. I like nice, steady, gradual turns. And when I see something go up 40%, I like that 20% region. If I see something going up 40%, that's an indication to me that I need to be aware that this is a clear-cut breakout and this is not sustainable, right? Like, these green candles aren't sustainable, unless there's a major announcement coming out. There's a major announcement coming up, right? We're seeing it being dropped here, and it's a decent ICO, right? So, good stuff here. All right. Let's keep going through it, guys. Qtum. A lot of questions on Qtum. Talk about BCC. And thank you so much, Cheyenne, by the way. Sorry I missed that. I actually think this might be my first super chat donation. So we're breaking historical records here. Really, really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. You guys make it all worth it, so I really appreciate it. Let's go through Qtum. Don't want to waste too much of your time. All right. We're just going to stay down low here. Verge is on the verge. So we are at Qtum. Wow. Qtum BTC. Oh, that's some consolidation right there, guys. Am I right? Like, look at that. That's almost horizontal. Let's try drawing a horizontal line right here. I love seeing consolidation. This is my time. Consolidation is. This is the way I like it, guys. Let's consolidate. I don't like to see those parabolic turns. If you see consolidation after a parabolic movement, that's amazing. That's a good signal. I'm holding on to my Qtum. I'm absolutely holding on to my Qtum. You should be too. You should be too. Absolutely. Yeah, still a little shaky here. Let's draw a fib retracement. No, that'll give us a better idea, right, guys? All right, let's. Oh, another donation. Wow, Jason Young, thank you so much. Are you trading or are you making videos? I trade. Maybe I make 20. I say my average is around these days. I would say around 5-6 trades a day. I have skin in the game, of course. I bought Neo under $1. I bought Ethereum under $7. I bought Verge under 0.1 cents. I guess that's relevant now. I bought Ripple for 2 cents. I bought Stellar for under a cent, right? So 2017 has been a very blessed, hashtag blessed, guys. Hashtag blessed, hashtag crypto year for me. It's just been a fantastic year for me. And, this is my full-time job. I've been doing this since 2013. So, yeah, so I have a tremendous amount of skin in the game. Yeah, I think me and Sam both have a tremendous amount of skin in the game. We have a hard time convincing people that Bitcoin is the future, but we definitely have a lot of skin in the game. That's for damn sure. All right, let's check it out, guys. Still looking at the hourly here on Qtum. I'm not seeing really any indication. I just don't like. There's like there's no volume anymore. I don't like that. I don't like when there's no volume. Let's go to Coinigy real quick and look at the order books here. Order book steady, not too bad, right? Qtum BTC. It's not bad. It's not bad. I think everyone should have a little Qtum, right? Qtum has revolutionary technology too. I would consider Qtum a Gen 3 blockchain, right? Cross-chain, minimum transaction, so it's a very small transaction method. Interesting staking method. We're staking Qtum here. Excuse me. We're staking Qtum here. But it's interesting, right? I definitely think it's worthy to have in your portfolio. Absolutely. I think you should. This is even not too bad of a time. I think it's a little run up, right? Look at that. That's sitting. Hopefully, you guys can see that quite well. Let me actually double click here and extend these lines. So, extended lines. This is perfect. So we're hitting this first fib level on the dot, guys. We're hitting this first fib level, and we're having major resistance on that first fib level. If it breaks through this fib level, you may want to pick up on the next fib level, which is 0.288, so around 0.29. So we'll call that. Let's do it. What do you guys think? You guys think I should start my own? You think we should start trading live here? I just think trading live. I've seen other YouTubers do it. I just think it takes up way too much time. It like, especially how slow Bittrex and Binance are. I just feel like it's just not even worth it this time. But I set my stop losses. I usually trade immediately after I say I'm going to make the trade. But yeah, let's do it. Start trading live. Yes. Yes. Yes, please. Yes, start trading live. Do it sometimes at least. Okay. All right, EOS is coming. No, talk about EOS, please. All right, that's what I like to hear. Again, guys, like trading, you know, like, do you really want to see me make a transaction? You really want to see me do that? I could do that for you guys. I could throw like 5, 10, 15, 20, 30,000 bucks into an account, start from fresh, and then we could trade together. We'll consider it, but again, I think it just takes up so much time. Like, I watched a YouTuber, a pretty popular YouTuber, and I watched literally half the time on a trading screen, completely in silence, and I was like, what the hell am I watching? You know, and I don't really want that. I'd rather break out signals here for you guys. But we'll consider it, right? We'll absolutely consider. BitConnect, no. Jason Young, no. BitConnect, no. BitConnect. All right, let's go through what. Damn, I wanted to go through a specific EOS is coming. Let's go. It's ridiculous. This is just ridiculous, guys. That's an insane parabolic turn here. Let's look at the hourly. Let's see what the hourly's telling us. 4 hour doesn't look too great. Hourly's saying it's okay. I just think it's too high. I mean, guys, don't get me wrong. I love EOS. Out of all the Ethereum killers out there, I think I love EOS the best. Of course, my personal opinion. It's good. Everyone should have their own opinion. Do your own research. I personally think EOS is the Ethereum killer, if there is any. If Ethereum improves on plasma and sharding and rated network like it usually has, maybe it won't kill Ethereum, but we'll see. One trade per live session is fine. Okay, we'll discuss. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, hold on. Let me do this for you guys real quick. Go into YouTube open up another tab, go into YouTube, and type in Cryptosomniac Sleepless. I've had some pretty cool discussions here with some people here. So yeah, we have a 24-hour live stream here. Let's see. Sorry guys, there's music playing, FYI. Alright, XRP is at 96 cents. Somebody just stated that. Oh, 738. Well, I've had some pretty cool discussions here with people. Go check out this live stream here, Cryptosonic Sleepless. Brand new channel, 24/7, completely live charts here. So, you know, come join us if you're ever bored after the stream, of course. Or you can go there and out. But yeah, go over there and subscribe. And smash that thumbs up button, guys. You know, I love doing this, but I would love for the stream to grow, and I really appreciate all of my loyal viewers here. Really appreciate it, guys. I like your music. So we have to use copyright-free music, so, you know, copyright laws, right? Okay, let's keep going through these charts. EOS did cross on that bottom. Looking like a decent, strong cross here, right? But do I think that it's going to continue pumping? Do I think it's going to continue pumping? Maybe. Maybe. There's just not strong enough indication that it's slowing down right now. Everything looks strong on EOS right now. I don't think it's slowing down. Again, we had a little bit of a downturn. You know, a couple red candles here on the 30-minute, but nothing to cry home about, right, guys? I mean, we've had a tremendous run. We've had a tremendous run. We just keep pumping here. Wow. I think EOS is a good project. I think everyone should hold a little at least. All right. Let's keep going through it. By the way, music is way too loud on Sleepless. I have to mute it every time it brings up. Well, yeah, we'll turn it down. Sorry about that. Pre-mined, I think ETH is 80%. No, that's not true. Chris Ward, ETH is not 80% pre-mined. ETH is actually, there's no cap to it. There's no max cap for Ethereum. It just keeps going. All right. All right. All right, Sam. Sam's over there. Sam's over there being a backseat driver. Let's go over Tron. He wants to go over Tron. We'll go over Tron. All right. Let's go through Tron, guys. TRX, BTC. Oh, TRX, Binance, BTC. Oh, damn. Where am I? All right. Let's actually load a chart here. Sorry about that, guys. One more time. Let's try this one more time. TRX, BTC. That 2 hours is absurd. I don't know. Do I FOMO in? I gotta ask Sam about this one. I don't think I'm gonna FOMO in. I don't think so. Not yet. My Verge has been doing just fine, guys. Maybe I'll transfer some Verge into some Tron. It's still a little inflated here. And I think the Tron supply is way too much. It's a shitload of Tron. It's honestly a shitload. 65 billion Tron. Are you kidding me? It's insane. 65 billion Tron. I don't even think that's a max supply. I think it's 100 billion or something. That's huge. Let's see. Someone said XRP was at 96 cents. Let's give this a refresh. Go to cryptosomniac.com, guys, and you'll see hot story feeds. You can filter out anything you guys want. If you want to look at your specific exchange, Bittrex, Poloniex, Binance, whatever you guys want, check out the forums. Sign up for that newsletter to stay completely up to date. We have a really nice product coming out for you January 1st, so go check out that website. Wow, we're still over 50 billion trading volume. That's insane. And I say everything is insane because it is. Because it's absurd. This is a huge, huge run-up that we've been having. Unprecedented. but everything is unprecedented. We just keep breaking through these ceilings. No ceilings, guys. No ceilings. All right, let's continue going through Tron here. 30-minute, looking okay. Make sure you guys, if you want to see your coin, I said I would go through some coins here. XRP, we already went through that. Dogecoin. Let's see what's happening with Dogecoin. Sup, Snay? It's a profit day. Thanks for all the great calls. Yeah, yesterday I made some pretty solid calls. I only followed 2 of them. And, you know, I actually it hit my take profit levels, and I took some profit back into BTC from it. So not too bad of a day for me either, guys. Pretty decent day. Thanks for joining me here, guys, man. I love you guys. I don't say that enough, but I do. Thank you so much for joining me. You guys make it all worth it. Let's look at that 15-minute. I don't even know what's going on with Tron. That is huge. That's a huge pump. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Let's draw a fib. I mean, that's the best guesstimate, right, that we can make. I don't like this parabolic turn, guys. But again, there's a lot of news coming out here. Maybe I'll FOMO in. Maybe I'll FOMO in. I mean, should I FOMO in? That is the key question. I don't think so. I don't think I'm FOMOing in right now, guys. I may transfer some profits, but again, Sam loves Tron. He read the whole white paper. I actually need to check out the white paper for myself as well. You guys need to do your own research as well. You know, I'm a YouTuber here. My full-time job is reading white papers, researching, you know, making calls, looking at the charts, looking at history, learning about Solidity, learning about programming languages, reading all the blockchain books that we could find. Sam and I both tried doing this, and still it's not enough time in the day. You know, that's why we call ourselves cryptosomniacs, right? Forever sleepless. But yeah, Sam loves this coin. I may have to check it out. Sam loves Tron, and they have a couple of awesome announcements coming up. They're pretty much partnered with the Spotify of China, right? Spotify, SoundCloud of China. So power, ADA. We're gonna go over ADA first, and then we'll go over power. Power Ledger. Let's look at ADA on the 4-hour. 4-hour still looking weak here. We saw a nice little green candle, but it still looks like we're headed down. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly's not looking too great either. Let's look at the 30-minute. I've been taking profit from ADA. That's the God's honest truth. I've been taking profit. I actually sold off some Verge today, and I sold off some ADA today. I'm not keen on projects that don't have any sort of backing yet, or any sort of projects released yet. Right now, all this is hypothetical, and if you are greedy, you are going to get burned. And I love bringing up this example. I do love bringing up this example. Let's go to the daily here. So we have this massive parabolic turn here. Massive parabolic turn. Keep in mind that ADA has 25 billion token supply. 25 billion token supply. So now we're going to go over to Neo, one of the Ethereum killers, right? And we're going to look at the daily as well. This is why you shouldn't be greedy. Let me zoom in here. This is why you shouldn't be greedy. And I'm going to delete all these fib retracements. Because, why shouldn't you be greedy? Because if you would have sold on that massive parabolic pump, you would have had 3 times your money. If you would have held through Neo, you would have been massively negative right now. Massively negative. It's not good to be greedy. Always take a little profit, guys. Always take a little profit.
You online? Your stream just went offline.
My stream went offline? What happened? Alright. My stream went offline. Did my stream go offline? Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Let's keep going through this. Don't be greedy, guys. Do not be greedy with any coin that goes parabolic. Take some profit. Remember, altcoin trader, Bitcoin holder. Altcoin trader, and don't get me wrong, I hold a lot of altcoins. I'm a long-term investor for Neo, Qtum, ADA. I'll always hold a little ADA as long as they keep pumping out good content. EOS, I haven't sold a damn dime. I haven't sold a dime of EOS. You know, that's how bullish I am. I'm holding all these coins. But yeah, I don't consider Ethereum an altcoin anymore. I think it's too pivotal. But Bitcoin and Ethereum is something that you must take profit into. Do not be greedy. I cannot stress this enough. Do not be greedy. Do not be greedy with your gains. When it's parabolic, do not be greedy. Take some profit. It'll drop back down low. Okay? Again, I'm not your excuse me. I'm not your financial advisor. But this is just common sense. You cannot sustain parabolic turns. You just can't. You just can't. Whether that be market enthusiasm, regulations, a bad announcement, unstable marketing, unstable blockchain, network congestion. There's hundreds of use cases I could say that what could make the value decrease. China banning ICOs, America putting down regulations. Okay, let's go through power, guys. Enough about ADA. You guys have heard my opinions on ADA. Actually, is one second. POWR. Ah, it's not Bittrex. I knew it was. Wow. So we said it. We said to pick this up here. Let me make this visible. We said to pick this up here. So I haven't looked at power in a few days. I don't believe so. Damn, that was a good call. My order just hit a couple days ago. Damn, I need to check my orders again. This is what happens. You set orders in Bittrex, and then you forget about them like 5 days later, and now you're already up 100% on power. Cool stuff, guys. Cool stuff. All right, power's looking decent. Let's go to the 4 hour. Power's looking decent here. Still positive. It's slowing down a little. Yeah, even the momentum's the lazy bear squeeze momentum says it's slowing down. I'll be taking profit. I do not have a profit order, take profit order on power, so I'll be taking profit from power. Absolutely. When it's going up 200%, I'm going to take profit. That's just what I do. Sorry, not 200%. When it's going up 100%, that's just what I do. It's just how you should play the game. Cool. Okay. And I don't like when Bittrex first releases things. I don't like buying when Bittrex first releases coins because they shoot up and then they tend to sink. Great job sharing entry point for XVG and EOS. Okay. Wow, entry point for XVG and EOS. So I did go through XVG and EOS, but we'll go through it again since you so kindly donated. I really do appreciate that. Never sell EOS. Yeah, never sell EOS. Let's look at the entry points here for EOS and XVG. Yeah, so my hands are here. I'm not typing. That's Sam in the other room. You know, my partner in crime here. Not crime. My partner in crypto. That's what I should start saying. Partner in crime is just a saying in America. We're not here committing felonies. We're not your financial advisors. All right, things you gotta say. All right, let's take a look. This doesn't look too good to me. Doesn't look too good to me. I would say, let's see the trajectory here. Let's go to the trend angles and see what the angles have been showing us lately. I like doing this sometimes. So we have from high to low. Let me brighten this up for you. Let's make that a nice light blue, and let's make that text a nice light blue as well. Oh, that light blue is terrible. Let's make it a purple. And let's make that bad boy 32, 45. So we have a negative 45 degrees. Let's zoom in here and see exactly where we hit that support. That was the official breakout right there, right? We're negative 27 degrees here. And now let's judge it by the other one as well. Ooh, so it hit support twice. Let's see. Wow, that's pretty spot on. Oh. Hitting support right there. So which one should it be? Should it be that one or this one? I'm kind of liking the previous one here. So it hit support, hit that upward trending resistance, and then we hit that upward trending support. And that hit the upward trending support. Again, it can't be perfect, right? Good Lord. I'm sorry about the glitchiness here. So this is exactly where it hit. Around 19, 17, 20. Yeah, around that 20 mark here. So 20. So I'll say 24, right? And we'll see. We'll draw another trend angle, right? So we hit support once, not twice, but we'll do the earlier one here. This is a decent angle. I'm just looking at historical precedences, guys. I'm just looking at historical trends. This doesn't look good to me. Why, guys? Why doesn't this look good to me? Oh, sorry. Wow, that light is bright. Why doesn't this look good to me? This doesn't look good to me because this is a clear-cut rising wedge, right? What is a rising wedge? It's not as strong as a signal as... Let's just go through it. It's a clear-cut reversal signal, right? Again, we don't know what's going to happen. It could break out. If it does break out, congrats. If it doesn't, not congrats, right? So here's what I'll say. Okay? You want an entry point. So let's give you some entry points for EOS. Where the hell am I looking? Ah, there it is. Okay, so we're gonna draw it right here, and we'll draw. If it breaks down from this line, we'll give it some room here, and we'll try to hit to a psychological level. Gotta stand up for this one. Not stand up, but gotta sit up straight for this one, guys. Right at the top of that pressable. Guys, make sure you set alerts. Blockfolio has alerts. TradingView has alerts. CoinEG has alerts. Make sure you set alerts when your stop loss is hitting. Every stop loss that I hit, I get an alert for. You sign up for Blockfolio and you get an alert that way. We're designing a platform. Our trading platform, or pretty much our own version of Blockfolio, right, is going to be launching in January. So look out for that. But this is what I would say. Hold on here. Let me write this out for you. Buy here. And if it ends up breaking down, you could sell even closer, but I would set my stop loss right here. Because if that stop loss hits, you could continue looking at that stop loss, and that's a pretty big psychological level. And it could most likely break down to that 0.005 or around 50,000 satoshis if it does break through it. And again, I think we are headed down for EOS, even though the signals look pretty decent for it. I just don't think we could sustain this level of volume here. Signals do look good for it. Wow, wait, are we hitting that again? Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, if you don't have any EOS, I think you should pick some up regardless. But this is a tough call here. This is a super, super tough call here. Let's look at a larger moving average. Whoops. Huh, that's interesting. All right. Sorry guys, I was just going to. Can you guys make a video on taxes in the future? This is perfect. Actually, we have a report coming out on taxes, specifically in the West or the United States in general, and we have a report coming out for our newsletter, our newsletter. So sign up for the newsletter to get more details on how to get it. It's fantastic. I took a sneak peek view of it. Me and Sam are pretty much editors at this point. We've hired a team of 5 or 6 different writers, varying from English majors, programmers, traders, forex traders, a fantastic team of people. So do check that out, guys. You will be receiving details about that in our newsletter later. The Advantage. Let's check it out. Okay. Entry point for XVG now. Let's go check out the entry point for XVG. So hopefully that clears some things up, but again, this could easily break out again. Signals do look strong, but if that resistance hits, let's see one more time. Yeah, we'll stick to that signal. Why not? We're going to stick to that signal here. All right, let's go through the XVG BTC. All right. Let's keep going through here, guys. Ooh. All right. And EOS is coming. You have previously stated powerful people are looking at EOS. Who are these powerful people? So, Sam and I have attended maybe, I think we're number 6 right now. I think it's 5 or 6. I can't remember, but 5 or 6 different blockchain conventions. And the consensus there amongst ICO starters, venture capital funds, technologists and programmers in general, is that EOS and Qtum are game-changing. And we've heard EOS multiple times in several presentations. Unfortunately, you cannot record at some of these conventions that we go to because they want the content there for paying members, of course, which makes sense. But we try to stay updated on the market, and these are the powerful people that are saying it. The actual people who are starting ICOs, gathering money, building platforms. These are the powerful people that are saying it. So that's why I'm really bullish on it. Qtum and EOS. I think Sam prefers Qtum and I prefer EOS. But again, we both hold both. I think we've been long-term investors on both. So yeah, thank you, EOS. EOS is coming for the donation. I do really appreciate it. All right. Let's check out the XVG entry points now. XVG entry points. When moon? Let's see. Okay. We're at the hourly right now. Looking down. Wow. That's not telling us much, is it? 30-minute, not telling us much. 15-minute, saying it's going to reverse. So maybe we're going to hit a reversal signal here. But again, this is going to be super flaky here. Even though I'm essentially a Verge whale here at this point, right? I would consider myself a Verge whale here. I'm not the bullish on it. I'm not so bullish on it. Right? I'm not going around and telling my friends and family to go buy Verge. That's just me. I think there's better technology out there. Specifically, cough, cough, Monero. You should be picking up some Monero if you don't have any. You know, I think Monero's technology is by far some of the best technology out there when it comes to privacy. So I've set my stop loss at 800, and we're already at 923. So we're so far away from my stop loss. It's my stop loss even needed right now. So we're gonna look back into the hourly here. Let's zoom back out to the 4 hour. Still looking like a lot of buy pressure coming in. I'm looking specifically at that momentum. Sell signal hitting on the 4 hour. The first time it has hit in the last 2 days. Let's zoom into the 2 hour now. Let's look at it a little bit. MACD looking waning here. Still green. That means there's still buy pressure coming in. Wow. Stochastic RSI exactly at 50. RSI still a little oversold here. This is the problem with Verge. There's no historical precedence for Verge. So what am I going to say? What entry point can I give you that I could stand behind? The quick answer is I can't give you a strong entry point for Verge. It's going parabolic. It's at an all-time high, and that's just a fact of it. You know, you could at this point, all I could give you is, you know, I could just give you a shoulder shrug at this point, right? But my best guess would be to buy into this range, the 6.18 range here, from 400 to 500. That's what I would say. These parabolic turns are difficult to really grasp here. But at this point, there's not enough data to conclude one way or the other what's going to happen. So on the 30-minute, we're still looking pretty negative here, but we are slowing down. So maybe you could pick up at the 800 to 900 mark here. I would even say 850 if you are a real bull on Verge. But again, I am not bullish on Verge. I've been taking profit. I've been setting my stop losses. I haven't sold off all my profits. Don't worry, I have not. But that is my quick analysis there. And again, thank you guys. Crypto cronies. EOS is coming. There's $1.5 million order for EOS recently. Unknown buyer. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, EOS is bullish. I mean, I'm bullish on EOS, guys. Super bullish on EOS. Thank you, Wetpaint. Wetpaint, another long-term viewer. Really do appreciate this, guys. Shoot us a thumbs up, guys. I would really, really appreciate it. You know, this is our full-time job. We try to do this once or twice a day. So really do appreciate it, guys. You know, what can I say? Like, I think Sam and I are both very humbled on the response that we're getting, and you know our recent growth as of late. And I really do appreciate you guys joining us here on the channel. All right, since I know Sam is watching, could I use ETH or LTC to transfer exchanges to avoid high BTC fees? Use ETH. Use ETH because there are ETH pairings out there that are similar to BTC pairings. There's little to no LTC pairings out there when you're trading between crypto, so use ETH. Yeah, Sam saying ETH, LTC, fine. Both relatively same time and cost. I agree with Sam. Also, make sure to answer the questions above. I don't know when Sam says this, so yeah. I like LTC and BCH. We paid $100 the other night for a fee. We did. So I was on Kraken and I got paid. I paid like $100 in transaction fees. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say at that point, right? All right.
Let me show you how. If you go here.
All right. Sam is here.
If you go here, you see the most recent questions that you need to ask.
Oh wow. Okay. All right, this is Sam coming in with the solid tech support. Always a class act when it comes to Sam. To OMG about like 3-4 months ago, and I have so one of the things we always say is never trade out of boredom. Trade with confidence. But if you're trading when you're bored, pick up some OMG. And that's how bullish I am on it. I read the white paper. I love the team. I love what they're trying to do. Vitalik is an advisor on it. Simple as that. All right, let's go over the OMG chart, guys. All right, OMG, BTC. Buy OMG support. This no longer applies. Let's delete that. No longer applies here. Four-hour looking negative. Let's see what we could do here. Let's see what we could see here. That's amazing that on the wave trend there was a buy signal, but yet we still have a heavy negative slope. That must mean we have some green candles. Yep, we see some green candles. Let's look at that 1 hour, guys. 1 hour looking like an opposite response. An opposite response here. Huh. Any thoughts on Ripio? Ripio is very new, but I'm going to still go over OMG. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Alright, let's keep going through here. This is a tough one. I wouldn't call it a buy right now. Right? It's still a massively run up. If we're looking at the daily, let's actually look at the 12-hour first. Still super run up here, but if we zoom down to the 6-hour, let's see what's going on. So let's go back to the hourly. Sell signal hitting. About to cross on the top. I think we're going to break down from this support that we've been running on since the 15th. I think if this moving average, so right now I have a 66 candle moving average. I have a 66 candle moving average, and if that hits, I think we'll break down to at least a recent support, and that recent support is right here. Let me type this out for you. 0.00094. Whoops. 94. That's looking. That's not looking. Maybe you could buy a little bit above. So what I'll say is around. Right. I just don't see it. I just don't see it. Keep rallying like this, especially with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's going to drain the life out of some alts relatively soon. I think once Bitcoin Cash stabilizes, I think Bitcoin will start surging forward and onwards. Let's go check out cryptosonic.com one more time. Let's refresh it. Yeah, this is rough. What's going to happen with Bitcoin? Yeah, I think this is a better. Better standard right here. I'd buy around here. All right, let's go. All right, could Moramato says, could you please go over Bitcoin Cash? Thank you. I subscribed today. Moramato is a motorcycle dealership in Florida. Been in crypto since 2013. Awesome, man. Early adopter. That's what I like to see. Sam has been looking for a motorcycle for about, I think ever since he moved back to the States. He was in Southeast Asia for a while, and he's caught the bike bug. So maybe he'll hit you up about some details on a motorcycle. All right, let's check it out. I don't have the best balance, so I won't be buying a motorcycle. I'll be looking at the charts. All right, let's keep going. All right, Omise, yeah, so we went over Omise, and now we're going to go over Bitcoin Cash one more time. I mean, I love talking about Bitcoin Cash now because why not? Why not, right? It's added to Coinbase. Heavy contender here. I don't like the look of this. I don't like the look of Bitcoin Cash whatsoever. I think the market enthusiasm is done. As much as Roger Ver wants this to work, I think there's just too much enthusiasm. Ooh, maybe we'll see a bounce. Maybe we'll see one more bounce here. But I would be careful and set my stop losses. I would set my stop losses underneath this support. Hopefully you guys could see these lines. If not, let me actually scale properties. Scales, price bar ratio, style, candles, price line, background. Ah, okay. So maybe this will help. Oh shit, that is huge. How's that? You guys can see that better? All right, let me save this. Let me make sure I'm saving this. Save chart layout. So now you guys could see nice and big numbers here. Okay, I would buy under this support. Even if you wanted to buy right now, it wouldn't be the worst idea, but I would set an immediate stop loss because you have no idea the volume, what's going to happen tomorrow. And I think tomorrow's going to be a pretty big trading day for Bitcoin. Let's look at the volume right now. So we're seeing Bitcoin Cash at around 8 billion and Bitcoin at 19 billion, almost hitting that $20 billion mark. So solid volume going on. All right. Again, guys, smash that thumbs up button, guys. If you do like the content, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining us here on the channel. Go over to facebook.com/cryptosomniac. I'll go to it for you guys. And share this video right now, and you'll be eligible to win at the end of this show. And we're going to round out this show pretty soon here. And also go over to Twitter.com/cryptosomniac and retweet it. And we'll do a random number generator to see who wins. We pick a winner here every day. You get some free crypto. Who doesn't like free crypto, right, guys? Who doesn't like free crypto? All right, let's check it out. Let's keep going through some questions here. Vertcoin. All right, let's go through Vertcoin, and then we'll pick a winner for the show. I don't know when I drew this, but it looked pretty decent at the time. Hey, it worked out for me, right? Bang, bang. Look at that. That's a descending wedge, and then pow, all the way up. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think a 4 hour would be a better. I don't see many gains in Verge coin in the immediate future, but they have been developing their mobile wallet. And one thing I want to say about mobile wallets is, yes, I do like it. And and if you check out their GitHub repository, you can see all the commits they have made. Vergecoin has a very active development team, as well as Navcoin, comparatively to, say, something like Verge, right? So I'm not the biggest bull on Verge, right? But yeah, I think we're gonna enter a long consolidation phase for Vertcoin, especially now that the halvening is over. Halvening happened December 12th. That means a reduction in the block size, guys. Block rewards. So the block reward was 50. Oh, sorry. No. The block reward was 25 Vertcoin per block solved. Now it is dropped down to 12.5. And right now Bitcoin is 12.5. And in 2020, it'll drop down to 6.25 per block. Right. So that's the inflationary rate of Bitcoin and Vertcoin respectively. Our NAV and Vergecoin both ZK Snarks. So I'm not sure about NAV. I know they have some sort of privacy mechanism, but I believe it's just Tor integration. I believe it's Tor integration and stealth addresses. I'm not. If you want real privacy, you want to buy some Monero. All right. Ripple hit $1. No way. Really? Whew! Ripple's at $1. $38 billion. Who would have guessed? Who would have thunk, guys? Who would have thunk? Wow. Whew. I may take some profit. Verge still sitting high. Wow. Tron. Wow. BitShares. Wow. So lots of wow moments for me right now. Okay. Let's go through Litecoin and then we'll pick a winner, guys, of the free giveaway. Free crypto giveaway. This is what I say about Litecoin. If you have $1,000 to spend and you want to buy Litecoin, so you want to put $1,000 order into Litecoin, I would say stagger in your orders. Put in 25% now. Put in 25% on the next dip, and the next dip, and the next dip. Litecoin is something that you want to accumulate. I still think we could see a drop. I definitely think we can still see a drop here. But right now the hourly looks pretty good. So I'm not selling anytime soon. I don't even have a take profit for Litecoin. So really appreciate it, guys. Let's go over to Facebook and Twitter and pick a winner here. All right. $21 shares on Facebook. And let's refresh this here. This video, if you retweeted this video just in time, you guys would have been eligible to win some free crypto. 32. So we'll do 1 for Facebook, 2 for Twitter. 2 for Facebook, 3 for Twitter, 1 for reroll, right? Okay. Random number generator. Guys, smash those thumbs up, guys. I do really appreciate it. Thank you for joining us here today. All right, so 2 for Facebook, 3 for Twitter. Twitter it is. All right, and what do we have? We're going to pop this out, and we're going to look at 33 retweets. Somebody got in just in time. We're going to log in here. Sorry about that. 34 retweets. Someone keeps getting in just in time. Oh, I always mess this up. All right. 35 retweets. Someone keeps getting in just in time here. Oh, my God. And then, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, whoa, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27 retweets. Sometimes they don't all show up. Sorry if they didn't. I do apologize for that. So I'm going to pick a number 1 through 27. Also, guys, yeah, hold on. What was I going to say? Yeah, 1 through 27. Go sign up for the newsletter, guys. We give away awesome details. Actually, we called that 30 or 40% run up on Neo, and we sent it out in a newsletter literally like 2-3 hours before it actually happened. So do check it out. All right, hold on. Let's go 1 through 27. All right, and we're gonna hit generate. Lucky number 13. Let's check it out. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Crypto guy. Crypto guy. Genesis Mining. I haven't seen that in a while. Okay, Genesis Mining. Crypto guy. And I'm going to give you guys all a follow back. Thank you for following, guys. Really do appreciate it. So, crypto guy, you win some free crypto. If I don't reach out to you, someone on my team will, but we will definitely reach out to you. Let me snip your name out, and we're gonna hunt you down, and we are going to force feed you free crypto. How do you like that? Do really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, guys, do check out cryptosimon.com. Give this video a thumbs up. And go check out our social media links for a chance to win some free crypto tomorrow. So really do appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys.